So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this zoom in and zoom out effect on Filmora 12. So in today's video, what we will do is we will zoom in and zoom out on this subject person right here. So what we want to do is we want to go to where we want the zoom in effect to start. So we'll start right here, right? And we want to now trim our clip. We want to select the second clip on the right, and then we want to go to our crop tool. From here, you want to go over to pan and zoom. And then once we click on pan and zoom, you want to use the end zoom right here and put it wherever you want to zoom in. Now we will zoom in on this person in the middle, click on OK. And then what we want to do now is we want to go all the way to the left hand side of this clip, to the start of the second clip. And then you want to go forward around 10 to 15 frames. So what you want to do once you've gone forward around 10 to 15 frames, split the clip right there. And then on the third clip now, you want to go to the crop tool. And then you want to go to this little icon down here, click on swap the start and end points, and then you want to select crop. Now once we select crop, what we can then do is select OK. Then you want to go and play a little bit forward for however long you want the zoom effect to last. Split the clip right there, and then you want to go back around 10 to 15 frames. Once you've gone back 10 to 15 frames, split the clip, and then make sure you have got the end bit of this clip selected right here. And then what you can do then is go to the crop tool, go to pan and zoom, and then you want to make sure that your start point is the original crop, and then use the end point and then put this out back to the original ratio. Click on OK, and then once we click on OK, you will be left with something like this. Zoom in, and then zoom out. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can apply the zoom in and zoom out effect on Filmora 12. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.